Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today, short tutorial tayo regarding about your Gcash account. How to send money using your Gcash account to other Gcash accounts. Maybe some of you alam na ang pagsisend money using your Gcash account, pero mas marami pa rin hindi nakakaalam. So, before we start, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! First, Euanimous Friends, kailangan natin mag-login sa ating Gcash account. So, you can enter your PIN number. And now, yan, yung 800 pesos yung ating isi-send money. So, press lang natin or click natin yung send money. Then, click natin yung express send. Now, you can enter the mobile phone number. Kung may naka-save kang number, pwede mong i-click yung mga na-save mong number like yung ginawa ko, naka-save na ito. Ikinilik ko na lang para kay Coach Jennifer. And then, write the amount kung magkano, 800 pesos. Then, optional yung message na to. But then, maglalagay ako ng message ng Coach paload po ng 800. Then, click next. Then, send 800 pesos. Voila! Ayan, nasend na natin yung 800 pesos natin kay Coach Jennifer. Then, you can do screenshot para may proof of transaction payment ka and masisend mo dun sa gusto mong isendan. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, nawala na yung 800 pesos. And then, makaka-receive ka rin ng message mula kay Gcash na nakapag-send ka ng 800 pesos. Euanimous Friends, ganyan lang kadali ang pagsisend money using your Gcash account. So, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video, bye! I love you! Saranghe!